ठीक है ना सर? I'm sorry, I thought you were asking. I'm sorry, मैं पूरा सवाल आपका नहीं सुना था. I'm sorry, sir. The petitioner/SIC submitted the requisite documents to the ECP for joining of the independents in compliance of the Rule 92(6) Election Rules 2017. 10. The petitioner/SIC applied on 21/2/2024 to the ECP for the action of reserved seats and the permission to file priority list of candidates. There is no dispute about the fact that SIC neither contested the elections, and since it did not contest the elections, it did not submit the list of candidates within the election schedule which was issued by the ECP. अभी सर पे आ रहा हूं मैं, 1 मिनट सवाल पढ़ लूं, फिर जो मैंने आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स कल नहीं दिखाए थे वो मैं सब दिखा दूंगा.
इसका बताया नहीं ना, रिकॉल इंडिपेंडेंट हैविंग जॉइंड.
तो कोई ऑर्डर ECP ने तो नहीं किया है ना?
नहीं, ऑर्डर नहीं है, लेकिन प्रेयर की गई थी.
प्रेयर थी, देयर इज
No order.
ECP has not passed any order.
No order. ठीक है ना सर? I'm sorry, I thought you were asking. I'm sorry, मैं पूरा सवाल आपका नहीं सुना था. I'm sorry, sir. Sir, may I read the question, sir? Questions. Whether the reserved seats for women and non-Muslims could be allocated to a political party which had not contested the elections on its party platform. In other words, under Articles 51, 6D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution, the foundational constitutional basis for the allocation of such reserved seats was the total number of general seats of a parliamentary political party in the election and not the contestation or votes obtained in the election. This is my principal argument before your lordship, which I will explain. Number 2, whether the election program dated 15/12/2023 issued in pursuant to Section 104 Election Act 2017 and Rules 92-93 Election Rules 2017 did not apply to a parliamentary political party which did not contest the elections. In other words, the aforementioned sections 104 and Rule 92-93 require a different election schedule for a parliamentary political party which only secured general seats on the basis of independents joining it after the elections. Any other interpretation of independents joining it after the elections, any other interpretation of the aforementioned section 104 and rules 92-93 would render such provisions in conflict with Article 51, 6D, D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution.
Hey, I just want to interrupt for a second.
Yes.
You were asked just now whether any order has been passed in the petitions or the applications filed by the other parties with respect to the seats, reserved seats,
Yes.
And you said no order has been passed.
No order has
But
been.
they were heard along
No.
with this.
The,
There is an
recalling the
order.
independents.
They have allowed their petitions. They have said that they are partially allowed. They have allowed it, so they have passed an order.
No, I'm saying they've not passed any order on the prayer that the independents joining the petitioners should be recalled.